But wait, watcha. The girl pinky hang up on me. Me say anyway, me see that like a biggie that girl the pinky man. I go and beat her. Anyway, me see that like a nasty girl the pinky. Alone box and kick to her skin. But then again, it really worth it figure war all pinky over BaddaDan. After BaddaDan and nobody. Pinky worse than nobody. So it never make no sense me get all myself in a problem over them two day, you know. You know what? Let me just bring them closer, go down at the hospital again because I am they give me one little place to live. But outside of that, it never makes sense. You better me just load it over them, yeah.
Coulda bright, boy you want come style up, me good gal Pinky. As bad as things be, you know, me know say me careless and I go around with myself more time, you know, but me not big and careless like you dirty Ashley. Coulda bright.
Boy, it look like this hurricane I really gonna mash up Jamaica in the night here in the early morning, you know. No, sir. I just come from out the door. And the clouds them on the sky and the blackbird them we are fly with. Everything is just giving say, yo, the hurricane is serious. And now I lie still. I wish Rachel lived there with my star. Shana star. Miss my baby, you know. I go call her still and see what I go on with her and thing and just check up on her to see if she well prepared for the hurricane. But them uptown people they alright still, big upstairs house and them alright. Me know it's an hurricane now for them house nothing too tough, but little weed down in there get to you. Why Father God, you just stay here, beg your Father God, please spare me. Hey Rachel, what's up? You know, so I'm just there. I'm just think about it, so I'm just checking in still to check see if you have everything sorted out for the hurricane when I come. I don't know, baby. You always there on my mind, you know, so just I check with my girl to make sure so she's good as it.
Oh, Brandon, you're such a sweetheart. Thanks for checking in on me. I really do appreciate that about you. Aw.
Definitely not a problem, my baby. You don't know the thing set, man. Easy one trader. As a man, you don't know, so we have to do that to protect the females and make sure so them alright. Yeah, my girl and Rachel, so definitely have to make sure so my baby good, especially in a time like this when the hurricane out the blue. I have to make sure so you're alright, baby. I don't know.
So, Brandon, I have a question. Can I come over and stay with you for a few days? It's okay to say no if we're not married up.
What? You ask a man, Rachel, you ask question. You know if you ask a question like that, my baby. If you want forward on the ends there for you, my baby. What you ask a man? Now if you ask a question like that. Come on, man, Rachel, man. I don't know, so you're very welcome to my place. Any day, anytime. But my only concern is, Rachel, I know say it's time I come on. Down in a garrison and also sturdy like uptown, you know, you're sure you want to forward on the ends in a them kind of.
Yes, Brandon, I'm sure. I really just want to get out from this environment right now. My mom is this close to driving me nuts. I just want to give myself a break from her. And I'd rather be with and around you more than anybody else right now.
Yeah, oh baby, me not lie, you make me feel good when time me hear them words they are coming from your mouth. But just make me know when time you forward down on the end so me can't jump with some clothes and come out on the front, come sit down and wait for you and may come in, alright? So I see a little more. Good? Let's be safe on the road when time you come down.
Well, thank you, Brandon. I'm so excited. This makes me so happy. I just need a break from her. I can't wait to get out. And I definitely can't wait to see you.
Yes, yes. Why, Father? As somebody knows say I listen to your son Brandon, you know, I couldn't nobody but you. All this just work out, sir. You come like you listen to me every words, to me every thoughts, and make Rachel just say the right thing at the right time. Look how me there and say, yo, I wish me could have spent all this time with Rachel's there. And look there. Father God just make it drop right in my hand just like that. Why, Father God, if me never thank you for nothing else in my life, Me thank you for this. Father God, thank you.
So yo, Tuggy, my general. You feel say the general better than I pull through the time a star. Yo, the general now look so bossy still in a star. The man them can him up wicked star, Jano star. Me I tell you when time I see the man get the lick and the man drop a ground. Me feel it to the core of my heart star. Can't believe say general get gunned down on the battlefield. Judge of God.
Yo, bad Juvie, you know me never even know what to say to you about her that star, cause the general no look so bossy for real, as I just say. But I know, you know. I know say him reach at the hospital. I know say them rush him go emergency. But me don't know things that go work out. We just have to just hope and pray say everything work out alright.
Yo, Jano star, my general, I know say all one at a time I feel like say I did get shot star. You know, say I went and I say, yo, wait, general there, I look back at me and I say, general, drop a ground star. And you say, yo, but Juvie, make sure say you pick up this trap real quick. I'm pick up this trap. And she say, general, whole lime chest, bore up star. Alright, that's what I say, yo. I wonder if I right part me take. Yeah, shock a piece by myself too, you know, yo, but as a general, I have to just hold it, I couldn't even tell you, see my piece of all myself star. Yo. It's a different work on the battlefield star, man. I tell you no, a different business from one time you're in a community, just a walk with a strap on top of your face. On the background there, so at this you separate the man from the boys. A serious business, this is my tuggy. A real talk, you just make star. We need to be careful as a juvenile in a street car, yo. When we see we go on with the star, Jano star, I'm glad. Definitely glad now myself say I never me get the shot. Cause I don't know how my little body would have managed.
Boy, bad Juvie, you know, so me not even know what to say to you about all this and all though. Chano star, as I said, the general no look so bossy none at all. All we have to do is just go and pray and just hope say everything no work out right feeding. Cho, me mean everything work out right feeding. You know what I mean, man, you know what I mean. Yeah, boy, Chano star, I know say him reach hospital and thing and the mercy him got a theater. So we just hope say everything just work out for you, General Star. But a badness you think name still I just saw the treat set more time you go out there, then I have to come back home. So I just hope you know say yo, the part where you're choosing, it not certain, none at all. No part at all are certain, but the part yeah, the bad man part, definitely more uncertain than anything else. So just know where you do as a juvenile in night streets. Just see for yourself first hand. It's a bullet and a joke thing.
Nurse, I think we did it. I think he's going to live this time around. Boy, him really is a fighter star. It never decide for did none at all. Him fight the good fight. And because of our help, we managed to save him life. Well done, nurse. Well done, team. Well done.
Thank you, doctor. And thank you, too. Because of you, this patient has another chance at life. I'm pretty sure as soon as his eyes open, he will be thanking you just the same. It's because of your hard work and dedication to this procedure why he is still here with us today. So thank you, doctor. Thank you a lot for another successful surgery.
Thank you, nurse. It's all in a day's work, though. All in a day's work. Anyways, call the porter and have the porter transport him to his room. This storm looks very serious. The winds are blowing really heavy. I just hope that everything will be okay with the hospital after the passing of this Hurricane Melissa. Oh boy, we're in for a really long night, nurse. A really long night.
Okay, doctor. I will order the porter to come and take him to his room right now. And definitely we are indeed in for a really long night. I just hope that this hurricane passes over and no major damages to our hospital.
So, Mr. Porter, sir, wagwan. By when I think BaddaDan I go wake up from this surgery business where him just go through so him can't talk to me so we can find out how wagwan and who shot him.
Good question, you know, Mr. Officer. Wrong person. Me I know the doctor at all, so me can't even answer that. My duty have to just carry him come on the ward, come lift him. Right in a phone of custody again, so When they can do the necessary, I'm bungling on the bed. My work done after that. Anyway, officer, enjoy your evening, cause me I got my yard.
Yo, Willie, me go call the soup, you know, cause me not turn up here in a hurricane with a prisoner, you know. Them have to send one of them like a young police to come guard him. Cause me not depend that, me I go home to my family in the night, yeah.
Me second you on that, Brown. Me second you on that. And I hear how the breeze out of the road whistle like a peanut cat. No. Me go my yard to spend my time with my family and serve and protect and secure my household first. So them have to go send one like a young police come out and consider me this a criminal boy in a this a storm. Yeah. But me and you, we go in home.
You what to Wagwan?
Dan, I'm a general. Why pray? I deal with my boss.
You what tool, you Wagwan, you know. We get a little understanding from a little Tweety bird say boy BaddaDan get shut up real bad, you know. And him down at the hospital, they are back for life. But me hear say him pull through in the surgery and then put him on a ward down at the hospital there. So when me want you to do for me, you know, want you mobilize two of the real killer them and send them on the mission to go finish off BaddaDan. I just watch on the TV, the commissioner of police a storm a come hurricane Melissa sitting like so. So all of the police them a go deploy all boat in a corporate area and all boat to serve and protect and secure the people and property. So you know say them not go in the two in the streets a seek after criminal. The year we are going, mobilize them 2 man there. And I want BaddaDan get reader fully. We don't want get no excuse and one escape. None of that. Cause me here saying weak out on the bed. So all the man them have to do is just link or like a porter link from in a place. And make him carry him strap them on a stretcher. And then the man them just breathe security. Go in and just go do the dirt quick and fast. By the time police get the understanding say the whole of the hospital get clan up and BaddaDan get dead. We out of that long time, back pa wains and strap them lock off. Oh, me saw that tool.
That's why you are my daddy and boss. That's a blessing plan in action right there, so. Brilliant strategy, my G. I go link up the porter out right. I know I make him done know the hundreds of the general say. So from we use your name to the porter, you don't know, say I then I game that. So I know say the porter I go deal with it. I go make sure say I rise a rifle, I make a rise a hand piece, I make him just pad that with some pillar and push that in a KPH like him a pushing a patient on stretcher. Yeah. So right now, BaddaDan, these are numbered.
Nurse, Evelyn nurse. I know so I bring some clothes to come give BaddaDan though. A which room him in a which ward him dep on. Me no know, nurse. You can direct me to which part BaddaDan the please.
Hello, miss. Good afternoon. It doesn't work like that here. You would have to provide us with the patient's correct name. We have no one registered in this department under the name of BaddaDan. The gall. My God.
Listen me no, Mrs. Ma'am. Me ain't the foolishness who do no nurse girl than you know. Just give BaddaDan them closer. See bagger, give BaddaDan them closer. Cause me ain't the foolishness who do no none at all. Everybody done is supposed to know who named BaddaDan. I my Dan, everybody supposed to know who named BaddaDan. So how come you don't know who named BaddaDan, nurse? How come you don't know who named BaddaDan? Nurse, just make BaddaDan get them closer, yeah?
Miss, kindly take up the bag from here. Kindly take up your bag and go back where you're coming from. We have no patient listed in our registers by the name of BaddaDan. You will have to come back with the patient's correct name, or else we cannot help you. Miss, behave yourself, please, before I have to call security to have them remove you from the hospital's compound.
You know what, nurse? Mega lift it, please. Yes, mega lift it, please. Cause them say liberty come through carelessness and if me never come down, you have to come give BaddaDan in clothes. All you could not come rank yourself with me. So make me left it, please. Make me left your place. Just know say anytime BaddaDan come out and ask me why I never get in clothes, I hear face me I come point out. And you me I gonna make him know. Say, tell me, say, nobody not dare name BaddaDan. I make him slap a shot in your face. You feel so BaddaDan play with people, miss. You feel so BaddaDan play with people, miss. So the last time I tell him make BaddaDan get him close them.
Did this little waste out of the septic tank just threaten my life? Security! Security! Security!
You not have to call no security, you know, woman. I left the place, You not have to call no security. Hurricane I come right now, so I go fix up my place and get myself ready for this breeze a blow. So you can't stand there about security. I left your place, nurse. I left your place.
Stir. Yo, oh, am I there? How does look like me in the hospital, sir? Yo, cha God. Oh, no, pain, stir. Yo, just remember, stir. Boy, them did shut me up. Stir. Out a door, it looks so out a door, son, so. How I go? Hospital me in there, I'm gonna date me there. How I go? Out a door, son, so. Coming like I gotta come out this there. One more time. Shadow star over there. Nothing a nurse. A doctor, no. Yeah, I'm in a pain star. Chacho. Well, I go and out the door the place, so and so. Check out.
Sir? Sir? Have you woken up, sir? Sir? Are you okay, sir? Sir? If you're hearing me, please say something. Sir? Sir? Well, it seemed as if he's in and out of consciousness because the sedation that was given to him was very heavy. So I guess that the sedatives are wearing off now. I have to keep an eye on this patient to make sure that when he wakes up, the police are notified.
Yo, nurse, you hear me? A time for you to lift up out of a place in a nurse. And tell your friend them out on the front for lift off and what. Cause be a gunshot I got fire in you right now. So nurse, lift up.
Yes. I'm gonna leave. Please don't shoot. Please don't hurt me. I have nothing to do with anything. I'm just trying to save a life here. Please don't hurt me. Just let me leave. Please, I'm leaving right now. I'm leaving. Please don't hurt me.
Nurse. Help me, nurse. Help me.